Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and sorry it's been a little while. This summer has been very busy for myself, and I'm sure many of you as well. But welcome back to a new video I'm making, and I'm going to go over a full portfolio update with all the stocks I'm invested in into all my different brokerage accounts. So follow along with what I have to say. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. I just wanted to start off by saying thank you for everyone that's watching the video. Thanks for everyone who's tuning into my videos on a regular basis. If you guys don't already know, I have been updating shorts on a weekly basis. So and of course, all my different investments will be on Blossom Social. So if you don't have the app Blossom Social, go download in the description below. But wait to the end to see the total dividends that I accrue with this entire portfolio and what my plan is moving forward. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. As you can see, this is starting with the Wealthsimple trade account. So I have $153,963 invested. Starting with the checking account, I think it's at a 2.25% yield. So this is where your money sits. You can kind of take it out as needed, but I have $17,134 in that. So I just have kind of a little bit of a base amount if I need to pull it out at any point. It's very, very liquid. I might actually put some of that in my personal non-registered account as well, so stay tuned to see what I do with that. Again, I'm going to be trying to make a video at least on a monthly basis just to give you guys an update as to what my plans are moving forward, as well as the portfolio update. Now let's dive right into it. So this is my TFSA, so tax-free savings account. If we go all time, we are currently up 48% or $41,301. The total amount in the account is $127,109. I have a little bit to spend, which came from dividends, so I need to put that back into one of the following stocks, which I'm going to go over. So the three stocks I hold in this account are QQC.F, which follows the NASDAQ 100 index. I bought this quite a while ago, so that's why it's up a significant amount. We're up 72% or $5,900. I also have VDY, which is a very good dividend yield producing stock, and it's based off of Canadian companies as well. So it's nice to have a little bit of diversification. As many of you probably already know, I'm a big proponent of VFV, which follows the S&P 500, and that's done very well for me, and I'm sure many of you. But anyways, moving on. VDY, we're up $7,511, 33,000 total in the TFSA. I believe it's producing, actually we can check, it's producing a 4.15% yield. That's the dividend yield on that, so it's fairly high for a dividend, as well as VFV. So this is the main holding in my account. If you go check out my Blossom profile as well, you'll see, and all the stock percentages. But VFV, we are up to $79,882, up $20,485 or 34%. So wait till the end of the video, which I'll explain what I'm doing moving forward, but that's my tax-free savings account, so some amazing gains there. And definitely would recommend anyone invest in their tax-free savings account before any other account because it is tax-free. So moving on to the next account, FHSA. As you can see, there's $0 in the FHSA because I did actually max it out previously, but I recently purchased a property, so I used the FHSA amount to do so. But I would definitely recommend the FHSA account to anyone who has not yet owned a home. Now, as I mentioned before, we have 1 cent in our non-registered account for personal. I'm probably gonna pull a little bit of money off of my checking account and invest it in non-registered, but we'll see, and I'll keep you guys updated along the way. Following that, we have crypto. So as you can see, I have about almost $10,000, $9,718. We are up $4,755 or 95.82%. What I've been doing with crypto, and you can see how much amounts I have 0.028 Bitcoin and 0.8 Ethereum. Again, I've been pretty bullish on crypto recently. It's obviously had amazing gains with that 98%, I believe it was, 95%, sorry. But I'm going to be dollar cost averaging $100 a week into both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I I would definitely recommend that you guys look a little bit more into crypto. I think it's a great hedge against inflation and just another thing you can invest into, which can be very profitable. So I'm going to be continuing to do so moving forward. So without further ado, that's my total Wealthsimple portfolio, again sitting at 153,000. We're going to jump over to my Questrade portfolio as well and go over that. So we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, so this is the Questrade portfolio. We are currently up $28,266. This account is, the total allotted amount is $28,000. We are up $2,205, which I think equates to about 8% in the portfolio. This is solely in VFV, okay, which follows the S&P 500. The reason this is not in a Wealthsimple account, and I do like both brokerages. They both have, again, pros and cons. Questrade's awesome, Wealthsimple Trade amazing as well, but this is a corporate investing account, okay? So this is through my business. Again, still continuing to dollar cost average, like I said, $100 a week. And let me know, has anyone used the Wealthsimple Trade corporate account? I think they just opened one, and I'm just wondering if any of you guys have tried that. I may end up switching this over to Wealthsimple, but I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you guys think. So that is the $28,000 non-registered account in corporate within Questrade. So what we're gonna jump over to next is the Blossom account. I'm gonna go over my total dividends that this whole portfolio produces. And then that's what we'll do for today. So again, we'll check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, so this is the Blossom Social Dividend Forecast, which shows exactly how much I'm accruing in dividends every year with my investments. So we are currently up to $2,407. Again, most of that being from VDY in my tax-free savings account, a good allotment from VFV as well, and a small amount from QQC.F. So $2,407 annually. Again, I'm not very dividend focused, I'm more growth focused. And then later on in life, I might pull some of those growth investments and invest more in dividends so I get a monthly income. But let me know what you guys think about the portfolio. Let me know if I should make any changes. What are you guys investing in the very near future? Let me know in the comments again. So just to reiterate, what I'm going to be doing moving forward is I'm putting about $1,000 a week into VFV following the S&P 500. I'm dollar cost averaging $100 every week into crypto. And then again, every month or so, I'll try to go over a full portfolio update for you guys just as you see where my portfolio is at. Again, this is not to brag at all. I'm just very, I'm curious to what other people are doing too, and I'm sure some people are wondering what I'm doing, so I'm just being very transparent and showing you guys what I'm investing in on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will try to produce more videos on a regular basis. Hope you guys are doing great with investing, and by all means, happy investing.